Today, I'll show you how to create animated scrolling logos in Squarespace. Whether you're showcasing client logos or highlighting brands you work with, this feature can add a dynamic touch to your website. Let's dive into the process step by step to get those logos scrolling smoothly across your page. First, you'll want to add a new section to your Squarespace page. To do this, navigate to the page where you'd like the scrolling logos to appear. In the page editor, click the plus icon to add a new section. From there, you'll be prompted to choose the type of section you'd like to add. For our purpose, go ahead and select Gallery. Within the gallery options, you have the choice between a grid or a carousel layout. Both can work for scrolling logos, but the carousel layout often creates a more seamless scrolling effect. Once you've made your selection, it's time to upload your logo images. Now, let's talk a bit about the logos themselves. For the best results, ensure that all your logo files are consistent in height. This uniformity helps in maintaining a neat and professional appearance as the logos scroll across the screen. I recommend using transparent PNG files for your logos. This format not only preserves the quality but also integrates well with any background you have on your page, making the logos appear as if they're floating on the surface. Once your logos are uploaded, it's time to fine-tune the animation settings to achieve the desired scrolling effect. Head over to the Design tab in your gallery settings. Here, you can adjust the speed of the scrolling to control how fast the logos move. Keep in mind that setting the speed too high might make it difficult for visitors to catch all the details of each logo. Ideally, a moderate speed works best for visibility. Next, decide on the direction of the scroll. Depending on your design preference, you can choose to have the logo scroll horizontally or vertically. Horizontal scrolling is a popular choice for logos and often blends seamlessly with most website designs. Lastly, consider enabling the pause on hover option. This feature is particularly useful as it allows your site visitors to stop the animation momentarily when they hover over a specific logo. It's a small but effective way to give visitors the chance to take a closer look without feeling rushed. And there you have it, a dynamic scrolling logo section that enhances the visual appeal of your Squarespace site. By following these steps, you've added an interactive element that not only showcases your partnerships, but also engages your audience. Remember, the key to a successful scrolling logo feature is in the consistency of your images and the subtlety of your animation settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Squarespace tips. Happy designing!